Welcome to Final B.D.S Made Easy. Our question for today is enumerate various waterborne diseases. Describe briefly on rapid sand purification of water for supply to a big city. Starting with various waterborne diseases, they are cholera, typhoid fever, dysentery, hepatitis A, giardiasis, cryptosporidiosis, amoebiasis, legionellosis, leptospirosis, etc. With rapid sand purification. In 1885, the first rapid sand filter was installed in USA. Rapid sand filters are of two types: the gravity type, example Patterson's filter, and the pressure type, example Candy's filter. The following steps are involved in the purification of water by rapid sand filters. These are coagulation, rapid mixing, flocculation, sedimentation, and filtration. First, coagulation. In this, the raw water is first treated with a chemical coagulant such as alum. The dose of alum varies from 5 to 40 milligrams or more per liter. The dose depends upon the turbidity, color, temperature, and the pH value of water. Second step is rapid mixing. The treated water is then subjected to violent agitation in the mixing chamber for a few minutes. This allows a quick and thorough dissemination of alum throughout the bulk of the water, which is very necessary. Step is flocculation. The next phase involves a slow and gentle stirring of the treated water in the flocculation chamber for about 30 minutes. This results in the formation of a thick, copious white flocculent precipitate of aluminium hydroxide. Fourth step is sedimentation. The coagulated water is led into the sedimentation tanks where it is kept for 2 to 6 hours. When the flocculent precipitate together with the impurities and bacteria settle down in the tank, at least 95% of the flocculent precipitate needs to be removed before the water is admitted into the rapid sand filters. Last step is filtration. The partly purified water is then subjected to rapid sand filtration. Filter beds. Each unit's filter bed has a surface of 80 to 90 meters square. Here, sand is the filtering medium. The effective size of the sand particles is between 0.4 to 0.7 millimeters. The depth of the sand bed is usually about 1 meter. Below the sand bed is a layer of graded gravel 30 to 40 centimeters deep. The gravel supports the sand bed and permits the filtered water to move freely towards the underdrains. The depth of the water on the top of the sand bed is 1 to 1.5 meters. The rate of filtration is 5 to 15 meter cube per meter square per hour. Filtration removes the remaining alum floc not removed by sedimentation. As filtration proceeds, the suspended impurities and bacteria clog the filters, resulting in the reduced efficiency called loss of head. Now coming to backwashing. Rapid sand filters need frequent washing daily or weekly, depending upon the loss of head. Washing is accomplished by reversing the flow of water through the sand bed, which is called backwashing. It helps in dislodging the impurities and cleaning up the sand bed. The washing is stopped when the wash water is sufficiently clean. The whole process of washing takes about 15 minutes. Advantages of rapid sand filters is that it deals with raw water directly. The speed of filtration is 40 to 50 times more than that of slow sand filters. The filter bed occupies less space, no preliminary storage is needed, and washing of the filter is easy. Thank you for watching. If you appreciate this video, do hit the like button and please subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated for more such videos.